Okay guys, so I've got this delivered today. Just going to open it up. It's made in China, like most things, but what it is with this one is I was going to purchase one from Awesome GTI by another brand, MST. £400. Like, that's a lot of money. This less than half the price. So MST was £400. This one was less than half the price. So the induction kit for my Audi A3 comes with this: hoses, tubes, clamps, and screw or bolts. We'll go to get to that in a bit. We've got this. We've got MAF sensor. Well, this is where you put the MAF sensor on. So, I believe it's aluminium. Might need a bit of sanding. This bit. It's a Kyostar Performance. Looks decent, and it looks the same size. Hang on a sec, look at this. This is not straight. Got bent somehow. I'm gonna have to push it out. But I'll get in touch with the seller. It says a UK seller. This is the Shroud. So, yeah, Shroud goes in like this. That's another part of the Shroud. Shroud goes in like that. I'm trying to think how this would connect. There you go. So it should connect like this. Well, that's the Shroud. And this bit, I believe, I'm not 100% sure. And this is the filter. I don't know how good the filter is. Might have to replace it with a K&N or Carbonia. It's got their logo on it, Kyostar Performance. See if you can see this. Inside, let me get a torch. Looks okay. Wondering if it's oiled or dry. Not feeling anything to the touch. That's a dry one. That's the Shroud. Not this here. There you go. You see this? This goes here. So I might have to modify the Shroud a bit or add bits. Something. So this fits here and fits onto the turbo intake. This is the, I think it's the PCV, I think. Then this connects here. There. So that's the turbo intake all the way to the filter. Well, it's sort of like one piece. It looks like the MST one, or very close. And before I fit this, I'm going to take some measurements of the stock intake, and then after I fit this I'm going to take some more measurements, see if there's any difference. So in the bag you've got these. This is to connect to the shroud like this, as you can see, so you don't hurt yourself. And there's also a tube for the breather, which is on this end of the intake, that pipe there. Clamps, three clamps the same size for these, and one for the turbo intake. There's some bolts and nuts to connect up the shroud. You got this one, which is a bit harder. I don't know where that goes, I'll have to figure that out. A little bracket, a bit more of these, and yeah, and connection hoses. So this is what it looks like all together. So turbo inlet, PCV, MAF housing. On the MST, the original MAF housing is used. The engine I got, the EA888 Generation 1, you don't need MAF scaling, so this is fine. And I built the shroud. I'm not sure if this goes here, the rubber here. We'll see once I put it on the engine. It might even go here. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna install it, make another video. So if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. I'm going to do a lot more car content and see how that goes.